Hello, Cosmic Vibers. I'm Lily, and guess what? It's almost time for World Space Week 2025. This year, from October 4th to 10th, people all around the world are celebrating space together. And the theme is super exciting: living in space. Today, we're going to explore what it really means for humans to live beyond Earth and why this dream matters for all of us.
When we say living in space, we don't just mean astronauts visiting for a few days. We mean actually making space a second home for humans. Imagine this. Humans have already walked on the moon, lived for months on the International Space Station, and are planning journeys to Mars. But living in space long-term, making a home out there, that's a whole new level. Imagine sleeping in a space habitat, eating food grown in zero gravity, and looking out your window to see Earth glowing below you. That's the vision this year's theme celebrates.
But it's not as simple as packing your bags and moving to Mars. Living in space means solving some of the toughest challenges science has ever faced.
To live in space, humans need life support systems that recycle air and water, radiation shielding to protect from harmful cosmic rays, and space habitats that can survive extreme conditions. We also need ways to grow food in space,
because pizza deliveries from Earth would take way too long.
Scientists are already working on these things. The International Space Station is like a giant laboratory where astronauts test technologies for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and maybe even beyond. It's STEM that turns the dream of living in space into reality.
And it's not just about survival. It's about comfort too.
Engineers are designing space homes with rotating gravity, smart systems, and even windows to fight space loneliness.
Because if humans are going to live far away, we'll need to make space feel like, well, home.
But living in space isn't just a technical challenge, it's a human challenge too. Our bodies aren't used to zero gravity. Bones get weaker, muscles shrink, and even the heart changes shape. That's why astronauts exercise for hours every single day on the ISS. It helps their bodies stay strong so they can adapt to long missions.
And let's not forget the mental side. Imagine being far from Earth for months or even years. You'd miss family, fresh air, and blue skies.
So scientists study how humans can stay happy, healthy, and connected, even when living very far away from home. Here's the amazing part. The research for space living doesn't just help future astronauts. It helps us on Earth too. Recycling systems developed for space are used in clean water projects. Space farming research helps us learn how to grow food in harsh conditions on Earth. Medical studies in space give doctors new ideas for treating diseases here at home.
So, by solving problems for space, we actually solve problems for Earth. That's the beauty of science.
And during World Space Week 2025, countries around the globe will celebrate this theme. Schools will run workshops on building model space habitats. Museums will host special exhibits. And astronomy clubs will hold talks about future life on Mars and the Moon.
It's like the whole planet is joining a massive brainstorming session. How do we turn science fiction into science fact?
So Cosmic Vibers, as we celebrate World Space Week 2025, remember that the dream of living in space isn't just for the future, it's happening right now, step by step. It's STEM that turns the dream of living in space into reality.
And maybe one day, one of you watching will be among the first humans to call space home.
So tell us in the comments, if you could build your own space home, what's the first thing you'd put inside?
Don't forget to share and subscribe for more cosmic adventures, and stay tuned.